we have the option to auto add products in your checkout. And this video is just going to show you how you can do that. So just to show you how this works. So I'm going into my checkout right now, and you can see that this product is getting auto added right here. So the product is getting auto added over here. And in case you want to remove, you can just click here and it will be removed from that section right there. And to set this up in any upsell blog that you created so far, you can just click on edit, scroll down into where you select the product you want to add, and you can just click auto add and how much quantity of that product you want to auto add. One thing you need to note is, suppose you have 3 different products that you selected over here, only the first product that you selected will be auto added. We can't auto add 3 different products in the same block. Each block can auto add only one product. And that's essentially how you set up the auto add feature in the upsell. And this can be used to auto add shipping insurance, shipping protection, or any other low ticket item to just give a small bump in your average order value. Hope this helps. Thank you.